Guys, you're welcome back to the YouTube channel and you're welcome back to the family. If this is your first time of seeing my content, this is the voice of Zion of Logistics. All right, so if you're a return subscriber, guys, you are awesome, you are wonderful, you are blessed, as you never get tired of watching my content, as you never get tired of seeing my faces, as you never get tired of listening to my voices. God will never get tired of you. God will never get tired of your business. God will never get tired of your family. Now, please, as you're watching this video, just take a 2 minute break. Tell God that tell God about your business. All right, it's the author and the finisher of our faith. So as we are watching this video, as we are practicing it, let God bless this business for us. It is very, very important we put God first. All right. And as we just do so, I believe God will definitely shower his blessing upon us. All right. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be talking much about how you can create an account with Yiwugo, how you can make inquiry, how you can compare the prices together, how we can also chat with the supplier. All right, so in my last tutorial we talked about how we can check out Yiwugo. If you don't want if you haven't watched the video, I'm going to be linking it under the description button of this video so you can watch it, so you don't get mixed up. So it's a must you watch it. Okay, so now after you've already accessed the Yiwugo, let me try to zoom in now. So you want to create an account. This is another thing that is very, very important. So at the right hand side you should have the sign in here. If you are existing user, you want to click on sign in. So for the sake of us that we are new now, we are going to be creating an account. So I want to come here now and click on join. All right, so clicking on join will load this surface and take you directly here. One thing I love about Yiwugo is that this app is very easy to operate. All right, that's the first one. Secondly, their sign up process is very, very easy. It shouldn't take nothing less than 2 minutes, 5 minutes, depending on where you are having access to it. Maybe you are using it on your tab, on your mobile phone, or on your PC. This website is accessible. Now, these are two different methods you want to use. You can use your email, you can also use your mobile number. That is why I love this website on compared to 168, that even before you create an account, your account has got frozen. That is not encouraging. All right, so now you are, if you want to use your email, we are going to be making use of our email, but for the sake of us who is not having email, or you want to use your number, you want to click on this mobile number here. So clicking on the mobile number will change the surface of the registration page. Okay, let me click on this guy here, and you can see that here it has changed to the registration surface of mobile number. You want to click on China here, select your country of registration here. So once you select your country, let me just select this one here, input your number, and you click on text me to get the code. Then you input your password and register. All right, so that is for the mobile number. So I'm going to be using my email here, so I click on email. So I'm going to be inputting my email address, the password I want to use. Then under this verification code, you want to input the verification you are seeing right here, and you want to click on register. Automatically they are going to be registering this account for you. So let's get this done. So guys, once you are done inputting your email and your password and this confirmation code where you are seeing YY78, sometimes your code might not be clear, or you don't get what they write there. What you want to do is to refresh this page. So it's going to load another code. You input it. Okay, so if you find this complicated, do well to drop it under the comment section. So once you are done with this step, you want to click on register. Okay, register, we're going to check your email and it's going to register you. You can see that it's telling me that this code is not correct, like I've said before now. So what you want to do again is to refresh it. Okay, it's going to load another code for you, or you edit this one here and input the correct one. So let me just change it to capital letter here. I've changed it to capital letter now, so let me just click on register now and see what we have. So once you are done right now, what you are going to be seeing is this verification step. Okay, so they are going to be sending you a confirmation code to the email that you drop. So you want to go to your email and confirm this account. So they are going, you can see that this is the verification. So let me click on it now to verify my account. I'm going to be clicking on the link that is going to be sent to me. So I'm going to be confirming my email, and once I confirm it, then I've successfully created an account with yiwugo.com. Okay, so this is what the email look like to activate your account. So you want to click on the link here and activate it. So let me click on open link, and it's going to redirect me to this website again. So it's going to sign me in automatically. So you can see what we have here. Your account has successfully been activated. Okay, so now you are going to be seeing sign in here or join. So now is either you click here to log in. So let me click on it now, and it's going to take me to this surface. You can see that it has taken me to this surface here. So you are going to be inputting your email address and password to log in, which I'm going to be doing right here. So guys, once you logged in and once your account has successfully been created, this is what you are going to be seeing right here. So let me try to zoom in and show you what you are going to be seeing. You can see that this is Yiwugo now. So instead of TB username blah 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 number blah 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 on 168, this is Yiwugo. They are going to be giving you your username with your number. So it will be Yiwugo then your number. So before now we used to have sign in and then create an account, but now you can see sign out. So this is showing us that I've already created an account with this guy, and this is showing you that you've already signed in. Now let me scroll here. You can see that this is my username here. We have Yiwugo underscore then number, that is my username. All right, so now let's go out to buy an item. So let me zoom in a little bit because this is the purpose of this tutorial. Now let me select one item here. Let me click to this wristwatch, and let me see what we have. So we want to check the MOQ now to make inquiry and to share the supplier. So let me click on this guy again. So it has opened a new tab for me as usual. All right, so now we have the full access to this page. In my recent video, I've already talked about how you can check out this page, what you want to know about this item here, how to know the quality. All right, so let me just jump directly to the how to make inquiry and about the pricing. Okay, so now this is the prices. I've already talked about the prices, but let me just recap. Okay, so now if you are buying up to 100 pieces, you are going to be getting this item for just 7 yuan per pieces. If you are getting it for 50 pieces to 99, you are going to be getting it for these prices. And if you are buying 1 pieces to 49 pieces, you should be getting it around just 10 yuan per pieces. All right, guys, don't panic. Like I will always say, don't panic. Okay, now you can negotiate these prices. That is why I said this website is more cheaper than 168, and this is, I have my reason for saying it. Okay, now this supplier has agreed for 10 yuan. Now how do you bargain? Okay, how do you bargain? Before I go to how you bargain, this is another thing you want to know. Okay, this supplier is supporting Western Union, so you can go to any bank. It's not a must you have your Alipay now. It's not a must you have your ATM card. You can just go to your Western Union and transfer the money to this guy here. So now this is one thing you want to know. Now let's quickly talk about making inquiry. Now let's quickly make inquiry about this pricing. Okay, we want to bargain. We don't want to buy 1 pieces for 10 yuan. So you want to click on send inquiry. Now clicking on send inquiry will open another surface to you for you, where you are going to be making your inquiry, where you are going to be writing what you want to need. Okay, what you want to make inquiry on. So I click on this guy now. So let me wait for this guy to load up. Okay, so let me try to zoom in and wait for this guy to load. I told you there's two different methods to this. Okay, this is the first method now. Okay, so after the page have load, this is where you are going to be writing your content. It is very, very important. And now we want to bargain for this price, and we want to make inquiry. Okay, this is the first method. The second method is chatting the supplier directly, and this is where you get it done. You can see after you've already input your inquiry here, you can see that they still have an icon of chat here. This is where you have access to chat room directly. Now let me quickly write a simple inquiry details. Is what I just wrote. Good day, please, I want to make inquiry about your pricing. I want to buy just 5 pieces of this item. Okay, for me to check the quality. If the quality is okay, I will come back and buy over 1,000 pieces. Can you load the price for me? This is just simple inquiry you want to make now. You are making an inquiry about the pricing. All right. Now, as a reasonable seller, he will definitely come and tell you that, okay, I'm going to do that. Since you said you are coming back to make inquire and you are coming back to buy over 1,000 pieces, one thing I know about this supplier is they don't want to lose customer, and the reason why they are on this website is to make sales. Okay, so once you are done making your inquiry, the next thing you want to do is to your information. Okay, if you want to make inquiry about your shipping too, you can also include it in there, in the sense that you are going to be telling them that can they help you ship it down to your country directly. Okay, so if they are okay with it, if it is thing that they can help you done, they will definitely send you a mail. Okay, but I'm not including it there, so I want to select my country here. It is very, very important. So let me just stick around with Nigeria here. So I'm going to be sticking around with Nigeria. Okay, let me see where we have Nigeria here. I love my country so much. Now your contact details here. Okay, so once you input your contact details, the next thing you want to do is your email and your WhatsApp number. Okay, so once you are done inputting these necessary informations, they are going to receive, like I've said now, they are going to receive your informations. Once they receive your informations, they are going to do a follow up with the contact you drop by sending an email back to you that they've already accepted to come and place your order. Okay, the second thing again is they can also reach you out on WhatsApp. This is a very simple processing. Once they agree on their the inquiry, you might also ask them a related questions apart from the general one that I've just input in there. So that is another best benefit of Yiwugo that you will not get on 1688. Okay, so now let's proceed. How do you chat this supplier to make inquiry? You want to click on this chat icon here. Okay, clicking on the chat icon will open another tab for you where you are going to be having access to the chat room of Yiwugo to the supplier. Now this is what you want to do. All right, you can see that this is the chat room of Yiwugo. The one thing you want to know again is you can blacklist, you can block a supplier. Okay, so now if you want to make inquiry again, you can use this simple method by clicking on this space here to type this space here. Once I click on this guy now, you can see that the keyboard has already opened. Let me click on it again and let me zoom in. So if you want to make use of this chat room, their supplier is always online. All right, but to the case of the time zone, once they see your message, they will definitely respond to it. Now let me quickly type an message. Guys, I'm done typing this. You can see in the screen right now we have, hello, please, I would like to buy 10 pieces of this product. Can you help me lower the price a little bit? And what other method do you accept for payment? Okay, now I will just advise you type this in Chinese. Okay, just for the sake of those people who are not understanding English. But however, this is an English website, but I expect them to understand English as well. So now this, if you're having picture of what you need, you can also click on this gallery icon here. Okay, once you click on the gallery icon, you want to click on the image of the product you want to make inquiry on. So as at for me, I'm not going to be adding the info, the picture, so I will click on send. Okay, now you can see that I've already sent this message now and it has already been delivered. So this is the automatic message you will be getting, just like 1688. So this is their WeChat number here. Okay, so once they receive your message, they are going to reply you immediately. They get your message. Okay, so now once you are done with this step, if you want to visit their store, you can see it here. This is where to visit their store, under the chat room. Okay, now let me click on visit store. This is another thing you want to check out again, even before you are buying an item with these guys. Okay, so now clicking on their store will give you the full access to see everything on this website and how long this website has been existing. Okay, so this is their fan. You can see that we have their fans page. This fan simply means that they are followers. Okay, they have over 600 and 613 followers. Okay, now they have their customer service. This is their customer service here, and they have over this is over 1000 item on their stores. Okay, so you want to check out different items on their store. Okay, now this is their QQ and their WeChat and their address. This is the simple instruction and other products they are having on the store. Okay, so these are general things you want to know on this website. Now you is one thing you want to know about all these websites before you even go in buying anything on this website. All right, so now in my coming videos, this I've come to the end of this video now. So in my coming video now, we are going to be placing an order properly. Okay, so now in this coming video now, we are going to be talking about the payment method, the shipping company, how to add your shipping company, how you want to place order, and also the necessary things you want to know about this website. If you have gained value from this website, kindly do well to like the video, share it, please share it. All right, the more you share it, the more YouTube recommend this video to other people that are in need of it. Please, if you're having any issues in regardless of the video I've recorded, do well to come to my DM, do well to reach me out on my WhatsApp numbers, on my Instagram handles, and comment under the video. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in my next tutorial.